Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum to all of my friends, wherever and whenever you are now. Let me to say in this first meeting to you all guys, thank you very much for having me in front of your screen here, and also thank you very much for always supporting me by subscribe this channel. And like I've said before, this is Mirido Ibu and from the collecting between Matan Safina and also Matan Jurumiyah books. And now we are arriving exactly in episode 53, right? Because yesterday we executed episode 52. Then I'm so sorry. Then now we are moving to the new episode 53. So the content of short content, right? Short content about episode 53 that we'll be going to be discussing after this is telling us about syurutu sihati Ramadan, right? So we'll be telling us about some conditions or some situations in where exactly fasting Ramadan can be executed in a correct way. So what does these chapters look like? Let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Faslun syurutu sihatihi arba'atu asya'a islamun wa aklun ila akhirih. Syurutu sihatihi, and absolutely some of conditions, some of situations, or a lot of situations and conditions from doing fasting Ramadan, right? In order to our fasting Ramadan to be verified or to be valid, arba'atu asya'a, we have automatically four things or four conditions that must be completed, right? So what are those situations or what are those conditions that must be completed first? Number one, Islamun. Number one is Islam. So what does the meaning of this one? The meaning of Islamun, which is going to be situations number one in this case, is Islamun. The meaning of this one is fasting Ramadan must be executed, right? Or fasting Ramadan must be done only by persons who is Muslim, right? So I'll repeat again. Islamun in this case, the meaning of this one is fasting Ramadan only or can be done by persons who is having Islam religions or who is Muslim. So of course another people or another persons automatically it's fine for doing or for executing fasting Ramadan, but the conditions which is must be completed for doing fasting Ramadan in order to this fasting Ramadan can be verified is number one is Muslim, right? So we have to complete these reasons number one. And then what is the next reasons? Wa aklun, and conditions number two. I'm so sorry, it's not reason automatically but conditions, right? Wa aklun, and conditions number two in order to our fasting Ramadan can be verified or can be valid is we have to aklun. Wa aklun, what does this one means, right? Wa aklun, the meaning of this one is fasting Ramadan also can be verified too when this fasting is executed by persons who has brain or who has mindset. The meaning of this one is fasting Ramadan only be valid when the executor of fasting Ramadan is having brain or having mindsets. The meaning of this one is the brain or the mindset of this one is still working. Why we have to be completed about conditions number two, which is aklun, because iza akolaka akluka wa anta akilun, right? When your brain is working, then you are having that brain. And then conditions number three is wanako un, and we have to be in pure conditions, we have to be in sterile conditions too. So conditions number three for executing fasting Ramadan, in order to fasting Ramadan can be in valid positions. Is wanakoun, we have to be in pure or we have to be in sterile conditions. In pure or in sterile conditions from what? Min nahwi haidin, we have to be in pure conditions from min nahwi haidin, from in example haid, right? We have to be in pure conditions or in sterile conditions from haid. Automatically this rule only working to the woman, right? Because the potential one for having haid only woman, and men is not, right? And then the next one is the next conditions, right? Wa ilmun, and we have to be having knowledge. We have to be having knowledge, or we have to be having an informations about what? Bikaunil wakti, we have to be having knowledge, or we have to be having an informations about bikaunil wakti, about something which is connecting with the time for executing fasting Ramadan, exactly, right? And then the last chapter, I'm so sorry, the last reasons, the last conditions, right? I'm so sorry. The last conditions for executing fasting Ramadan, in order to fasting Ramadan can be valid, right? Qabilan lisaumi, is qabilan lisaumi, as a receiver. Qabilan can means as a receiver lisaumi, to the fasting. So what does the meaning of qabilan lisaumi? The meaning of this one is fasting Ramadan, right, can be invalid or can be in verified conditions only when fasting Ramadan is executed in the day is permitted, not in the day is not permitted for doing fasting Ramadan. In example, the day is forbidden for doing fasting, it's like Tashriq, and then Yaumushak, etc., right? So we have to execute fasting Ramadan by using terms qabilan lisaumi only in several days, which are on this day we are permitted for doing or for getting fasting month, right? Faslun syurutu wujubihi khamsatu asya wa mu'alam bisawab.